What's up, guys? I'm back with a quick little video right quick. Right here we got the Galaxy Tab S11, and this will be the 11-inch. I've been doing a couple of videos on this tablet because this the only tablet I got in my stable right now, but it's still fairly new, so a lot of people still want to know about this and that. They probably looking to buy one of these or the last gen version. It just depends. So I'm gonna keep making a couple of videos, every once in a while about this tablet, and just keep it moving. So far, this tablet has been great. I have had really no issues with this tablet, no slowing down. Might have had a time where, I went to the recent menu and it kind of did a little quick lag. But I also had like 17 apps open. So, other than that, smooth as butter. Let's get in here right quick. Okay, so as you can see, I got two apps open right here. I got Amazon open, and I also have Fandango at home open. I always pronounce that word funny, but I got these two apps open, so I'm gonna go ahead and close them out, and I want to go to okay, I want to go to the regular home screen. So I just want to show you guys today how to activate DEX straight on the tablet. The quickest way to do that is, let's say you have an app open already. Let's say you're checking your email, and you see this little line right here at the top. If you click on it, you can open something up in split screen, like just now. Let's close that. Click on it again. You can hit the X button. That's gonna close the app out. Or you can hit this button right here, far to the left, and it's gonna tell you open it up, open in pop-up view. So if you hover over stuff with your S Pen and get a little close to it, you'll be able to see what it'll do without you pressing it. So if you press that button though, it's gonna open it up into a little small pop-up like this. So let's go back full size, which will be this arrow right here, maximize. Boom. So I want to get to DEX right quick. So all I have to do is grab that same bar. Let's grab it. Hold on. Grab it and push it down. I don't think you guys seen that, how smooth that was. Hold on. So we're gonna bring it back to tablet mode. So to get to DEX from this app, all you're gonna do is grab it, grab that bar, and just scroll down. You see how I'm still holding it. You see it say desktop 1? All I have to do is grab that app from tablet mode, swipe it down, boom. As you can see now, I'm in desktop. I'm gonna say, yeah, desktop mode. And to tell you in desktop mode, the icons at the bottom will be a lot smaller. Anything you open will be a lot smaller. You see this app right here, the Gmail app we've been in. I can click on the left part of the tab at the top where the icon is, remove from desktop workspace, or snap to left, or snap to right. We're gonna snap it to right, and boom, Play Store, same thing. Remove from desktop workspace, or snap to left, or snap to right. So I guess put these side by side. I'm gonna snap to the left, and there you go. Both of them is open right here. I said I wanted to open another app, the phone dialer. It's right here. Boom. They're very customizable windows. You can put them however you want it. You know what I'm saying? Any window you open, however you want it. So that's 3 apps open. Let's go to contacts. Let's make it smaller. That's 4 apps open. Let's go to internet browser. How many we got open? 1, 2, 3. That's 5 apps open. Same time. Everything's running. Let's go to pinup. There's 6 apps open at the same time. I don't know. Oh, you see what just happened? It closed the Play Store app out. So it looked like you can only have 5 apps open at the same time. So we got 1 pinup, 2 phone dialer, 3 contacts, internet browser, 4 Gmail, 5. I don't know why I chose the Play Store app to close. Remember that window was snapped to the left, but it did close it. Let me try to open up another one since it looked like you can only have 5 open up. I was going for 6, guys. I was going for 7. Let's see. Threads. Yep, can't show more than 5 apps on the home screen. So it closed Gmail. Alright, that's okay. So we're gonna exit on out of these guys. Boom. And let's say I want to get back to my desktop. You can either swipe up and go over left, or how I like to do it, I just like to, you know what I'm saying? Grab that, boom. Back in the desktop mode. I'm going to say not desktop mode, back into tablet mode. And as you can see, the icons are a lot bigger. That's going to really distinguish from you knowing, you know, you're not in desktop mode. You know, you're in tablet mode. Icons are big on tablet mode, and on desktop mode, icons are small, as you see right here. I love how quick and fluid you could just, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I like watching a movie in desktop mode. Let me give y'all a preview how that look right quick. So we're gonna go, let's go to Prime Video right quick. Where you at? Boom. So I'm already in desktop mode. So all these icons at the top, you have this one, which is gonna minimize, this one maximize, this one full screen, and this one is to close. So let's say I wanna let's just click on Young Sherlock, hit play.
What up, fam? Welcome to Rockin' Grandma's new hire presentation. That's me, Dougie
So I
Jr.,
wanna
future CEO.
I don't want to do full screen, but I want to maximize it. So that's how it'll look maximized. You still see your icons at the bottom of the screen. If you go to full screen button right here, then you got your full screen.
Jury Duty presents Company Retreat about a made-up hot sauce company, sponsored by Kansas, a real company. Only on
I want to get out of full screen.
My name's Anthony.
So you're gonna swipe back. So I can actually, come on. So I can actually grab from here. And you know what I like about desktop mode? The movie is playing and I still have the Prime Video app in the background where I can just select anything else, look around, movie still playing. Where's the movie? Every window opens in its own window, if that makes any sense, guys. So This is what's playing. This is the player. This is the app. So like I said, just with a click
The nice thing about the middle of
and a
nowhere
hold and a drag, I'm in desktop. I'm in say tablet mode now.
is it's in the
This is
middle
tablet
of
mode.
nowhere.
See how my icons? I got the floating bar back. I swipe out big icons. So let's go back to that player.
I am creating the miracle
Boom.
of
Let's go to
miniaturized
desktop mode.
This is the top
Real
secret
fast.
project you've been working on?
Back to desktop mode. Icon smaller. So guys, that'll be your desktop mode, and
This is my...
you are able to, whatever you have open on your desktop right here, like I said, desktop 1 is going to be there whenever you go back to your desktop. I have a desktop 2 right here. I can add another desktop by pressing this icon right here. Add desktop. So I'm in desktop 3. I don't have any apps open on desktop 3. If I want to get rid of some of my desktops, hit the X button.
This is my tiny little
Back to
laptop.
desktop 1.
You will be restored to.
You can scroll up and down to see how many apps you have open. And that's pretty much it on your desktop.
I am so close.
Are you
But like I
aware
say, everything is resizable. Everything is resizable, guys. So you will have like a bunch of apps that's just, you know, floating around. Let's go another one right here. That's 2. Remember, guys, only 5 at a time. Phone dialer. Prime Video, and it groups everything together. So I'm in Prime on the other desktop, but if I want to click on it, I have both of them open. I have the player and I have the app.
Sorry.
So yeah, guys, that'll be it for your desktop mode on your Galaxy Tab S11. Feel free to leave a comment if you want to know anything.
Now the only thing left.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Hello. How you doing today?
How you doing, Anthony? They sent me